Yes, sir. My name is Muhammad Ayaz, and I am from MS Electricals. In our previous video, we have shown you current according to transformer rating calculation and selection of CT voltmeter ammeter according to transformer supply and voltage rating. Now, in this sheet, we are going to show you how we can calculate a motor control center, power control center, power and motor control center. In this, we have developed a sheet for calculation of MCC, PCC and PMCC. For MCC panel, we can use we have to select a make of a component. Make of a component is Siemens, LNT, ABB, Schneider and CNS. And motor rating in kilowatt. Motor rating in kilowatt we have to give here from 0.12 to 315. Is one working, one is standby. So number of working quantity of motors, number of standby quantity of motors we can use, and this is the total. 415 is voltage. We can select voltage from this drop down: 380, 415, 440, 500 volt. We have to consider here efficiency and power factor. Then motor current for single motor in amperes calculated automatically. And type of starter we have to use dual or star delta starter. And type of circuit breaker we can use SFU, NCB, MCCB and MPCB only for dual starter. Suppose we are using here SFU point for dual starter. Now the total current in ampere is 32.20. Suppose we are using we are deleting here in a standby folder, and we are using two numbers of 15 kilowatt motor feeders, then the current rating is 64.41. Now suppose we are using motor kilowatt rating of 22 kilowatt, and the number of feeders is 4. 80% is the efficiency, 0.99 is the power factor. Suppose we are reducing the power factor, suppose we are using 0.9, then the motor current is increases. And type of starter is star delta starter and MCB. Suppose we are using MCCB, then here we get a dash. So MCCB is not used for 22 kilowatt motor starter. We are using MCB. Suppose we are using motor rating is 45 kilowatt, then and using dual starter and MCCB, then the circuit breaker rating is 90 ampere. 484.55 is the total current. And now we can use now we are using 55 kilowatt as motor rating, and the star delta starter and SFU as a circuit breaker. So we are getting here circuit breaker rating is 100 by 100. 100 by 100 means 100 is a fuse and 100 is a fuse phase. Now 125 ampere, in 125 ampere rating we are using a star delta starter and MCCB. Suppose we are using MCB, so here we also get this, because MCB is not used for such a kind of higher rating, so we have to use MCCB. Also you can see here we can't use dual starter. Okay, dual starter, and the rating is 250 ampere, and the sum of a current is 2033.75 ampere, and the main income rating is 500 ampere, and main income rating for higher rating is 630 ampere. We can use MCCB or ACB as well as. You can see here working feeder is 25 and standby feeder is 0. The total work feeder is 25. Suppose we want to use HP 2 kilowatt. So in here we can use 10 HP. So 7.5 kilowatt. So we have to just drop in motor rating. We have to see we have to select 7.5 kilowatt, and the changes should be done. Changes in this sheet done automatically. Okay, thank you very much for seeing this video. And we have also developed a sheet for PMCC. Just you can see this is This is the main Excel sheet we have developed for PMCC. This is MCC, and this is for PCC. In PCC panel, we are just doing a simple calculation. You can see here, and the ampere, this is the feeder rating, the voltage rating, single feeder current in ampere. We are using type of circuit breakers. Suppose we are using SFU, then the 40/63, and MCB, then the rating is here we use MCC, then the rating is 63 ampere. And suppose we are using here SFU, then 630 and oblique 630 ampere. And if we are using MCB, then this, it means MCB can't use for 630 ampere feeder rating. And the sum of a current is 1911, and main income rating is 700 ampere, and main income high rating is 800 ampere. We can use MCCB and oblique ICB. We can use both. Working feeder is 18. Suppose we are doing 4 working and 3 standby. Then the sum of current is 1791. The main income rating is 10. Main income high rating is 10. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this video. If you want to purchase this sheet, then contact me on this mobile number, on this meselectricals@yahoo.com email address. My name is Ayaz Sheikh. Thank you very much for watching this. Thank you very much.